Hi guys! So today I have with me here today the Hefty storage slider. These are the Ziploc bags, like the little Ziploc ones. These aren't really Ziploc because Ziploc is like an actual brand, but like most people call any of the bags that just like re-zip Ziploc. But yeah, these are the Quart bags. This is the value pack, so this actually came in a pack of 2, and each box comes with 38 bags, and they are each 7 by 8 inches. And it says stronger seal than Ziploc bags. Again, these aren't like actually Ziploc bags. Ziploc bags are just kind of like a all-around name that everybody calls bags that have like a sealed like thing on them, honestly. But yeah, again, these are Hefty. Ziploc is their own company, but yeah. And it says when shaken, dropped, or stacked, they are really good at keeping the product closed in. And here it just says like what happens with it, so I don't know if you can see that. And then here it says clicks closed, so you know it's closed. And that's really good because I know a lot of products like Ziploc or like any of the bags that like you have to like click to close. A lot of them, like, you don't know if they're closed or not, and then like they'll start leaking or something bad will happen and you're just like, oh my gosh, are you serious right now? Like, is this really happening to me? So I just like the fact that this clicks when it closes, because then you know when it's closed, so it won't leak or the air won't get in if you're trying to like vacuum seal something that you put in here or just anything like that. Like, you know when it's closed. And I just like that because I've had too many instances to where I don't know that the bag is closed and I have stuff everywhere, and it's just the worst thing in the world. It's very annoying. And then here it just says it has like the zipping sound, so you know when the bag is secure, because I know a lot of times some of these bags, not like these ones, not like the Hefty storage bags, but like I've had experience with other bags that when you have like that little the little zip thing that's on it, it actually like breaks, but then you don't think it does. So I just like to have this little zipping sound, because then you know it's actually getting zipped, because even if it locks at the end, then you're like, well, nothing happened because I didn't know that it didn't happen because there's no sound. So I just like how it lets you know that the bag is actually closed. And this is just what the box look like. It opens like this, and then you just take the bags out, and this is what they look like. And then this is the little zip that's on them. It looks just like the picture there. And then this is just what the bag looks like. It's a pretty big bag, honestly. And then I like how it tells you here which direction you're going to either open or close it. And I like that, because I know that there are some bags that you will have like that and you don't know which direction you're going in order to open or close them, and it's really annoying because you're like, oh my gosh, is this open, is this closed? And then you tip it upside down and now there's stuff everywhere. So yeah, I just really like that, how it gives you the direction of it. I mean, honestly, it's not that much of a hassle to know if you're opening or closing it, but still, it's just good to know that like, oh, this is the way that you put it to close it. And I mean, they open pretty widely, so if you don't know you're closing it when you're closing it, then it's really weird. But better to know than to not know, because some people, they you know it's better to have direction than to just leave people hanging, because everybody doesn't have the same like knowledge and stuff like that you need to know things. So like I said, again, these are a good size. Again, they're the Quart sized bags, and I really like that because they hold a lot. Like, I put so many different things inside of these different bags. Like, I put ice for like ice packs, I put fruit like it says on the bag, I put chips in these bags, I put sandwiches, I put like like nails, for like hardware stuff. I've used these bags for so many different type of things, and they're honestly so nice. Like Hefty is such a good brand to like make sure the whatever you're putting in there stays in the bag, and I like that because the nails don't poke through. I mean, obviously if you push them through the bag, then they're gonna break the bag, but the bag stays pretty nice. Like they don't poke through the bag if you're like shaking it a little bit. They're good to put in a bag if you're like traveling with them because they don't just rip and tear and break. I know a lot of the cheaper ones can like, you know, rip open or be a hole poked in them even if you do like the little slightest movement, and it can be very annoying, and it's just so much easier to have these bags that actually cooperate with you and, you know, do all the things that you need them to do. These were very inexpensive, and I know a lot of like name brand stuff tend to be a little more expensive, especially when they're doing like such a good job at what they're advertising. But these, I like them because they do not cost much at all. Like this was the value pack and it was very inexpensive, and I really liked that. And I was just like, look who's going back to get more when I run out. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I reuse these bags for like, if I have like chips in a bag, I'll put the same chips or even different chips back in this in the same bag that I put some different chips in, and I'm just like, it's whatever. The bag is still good, so why not? So I would say anybody can use this. Give this to your kids for a packaged lunch, or put some stuff in here for like a bake sale or something. I don't know, but I've had these for a very long time, and I plan to continue to use them, and I just really love them so much. So again, this is just the Hefty storage slider lock bags, the quart size.